Hi everyone! So I kind of just wanted to take this video and congratulate each and every one of you guys who are making a change in your health and in your life, because there's a lot of you guys who have commented to me and have told me how long you've been raw or how long you've been vegan, plant-based or whatever, or who are interested in going raw and are interested in a plant-based lifestyle and everything too, and that you're just kind of, you don't know where to start or where to go or what to do or anything. I just wanted to first of all tell you guys that, you know what, that is absolutely awesome in my eyes, because number one, you are doing a wonderful first step. And for a lot of people, there's a lot of people who, when they find out about a raw vegan lifestyle and they hear of all the benefits and all how everybody is, the people who are raw, how they are, how they've transformed their lives and their health and everything, and they want that and they want to do it right away, but they don't know where to start, or they try it and then fall off and everything, you know. And that's one thing I just wanted to say is, you know what? Don't beat yourself up. Most definitely don't beat yourself up. Realize that you are doing wonderfully just right where you're at. You know, I mean, if your goal is to become fully raw, or to just improve day to day, a little bit at a time, that is awesome. That's absolutely awesome in my eyes, you know. And I mean, there's people who go raw overnight because their will and determination is so darn strong, and they are not looking back anymore, and they are moving forward no matter what. But then there's a lot of people out there who need transition time, or who need a little help along the way, you know, or who just needs time, you know. And that's wonderful, whichever position you're in or you're at or whatever. I just wanted to congratulate you guys for actually taking this step. I mean, the first thing is when you've been exposed to it and the light bulb clicks on, you know, in the brain, and you make the decision to want to change. Okay, right there, that's the first step. That is just wonderful. That's an awesome, fabulous first step to take, that you've realized that you want to change. That's perfect, you know. And it's good to take baby steps. There's a lot I tell some of you guys that, you know what, it's okay if you need to take baby steps, because you know what, I see the way God works in our lives and everything, and even with me, with other things in my life, that I need to take baby steps, and I find that, you know what, God does like it when he doesn't mind taking baby steps with us instead of huge leaps, you know. I know for me personally, for my health, I personally went raw vegan overnight, because I know for me, I was so determined and I was not looking back, and I was moving forward. I know in that area of my life, that is something I took a huge leap into, and I'm glad I did, and I endured everything at once. But you know what? If you're not one of those types of people and you need to take baby steps with a transition or whatever, do that. And just don't beat yourself up about not being fully raw right away, or having the health changes that you wanted at a certain point in time in your life or whatever. I mean, go easy on yourself, because sometimes you can set your goals so high that you're trying to strive for it, but you keep hitting the mark, you keep missing the mark and the level you've set for yourself, and then you downgrade yourself and bring yourself down, and you find yourself like 2 steps backwards all the time, you know. So it's good to take baby steps every day. I mean, just especially with, I mean, your health and this raw vegan lifestyle and everything, the way of eating and everything. If it helps, it's good, and it helps to view it not as a huge like month or year-long basis. Take just take it one meal at a time, you know, one day at a time, one meal at a time, okay? And you just start from there, and eventually it turns into a nice, healthy habit, and your natural ways come back, and before you know it, you find yourself fully raw every day. And it's like every day, every week, every month, and then every year. And then you find out, hey, this is the way I eat now, you know? It's just the way I eat now, you know? And so that's what I just wanted to take this video and kind of just congratulate every one of you who have that desire and want to change, make a change in your life, because it not only benefits you in your life, but it benefits people around you, this planet, animals, of course, too, when it comes to the health movement and everything. And I mean, it benefits, it has a domino effect. It has a domino effect. And so that's why I just want to thank you, all of you guys who comment to me about where you're at and your interests and everything within the health community and everything, and this way of eating and everything. It's just, I'm really happy that you guys tell me, because I'm like, oh, this is awesome. Here's another person who is interested and wants to improve themselves. And I mean, I just start thinking, you know what? They have no idea how good your life is going to change when you change the way you eat, because what you eat has a profound effect on your life. I mean, I know life is not about food. There's so much more to life than food. But you know what? Food has a humongous impact, and it plays a huge part in our lives, you know? I mean, we have to eat to stay alive, and look at how many meals or mini meals or meals you eat in a day. I mean, it's a big part of your life, you know? And I see that God create it to be very pleasurable too, a pleasurable life. Part of this life existence and experience on this earth is the pleasure of eating the foods He's provided for us, the pleasure it gives us too. But we also don't want to be gluttons. We don't want to overeat. We want to eat just enough, but just enjoy what God has given us, and that pleasure of eating and feeding and taking care of our bodies. So that, I know, goes into a whole nother topic, but I just kind of wanted to throw that on in there. But I just wanted to say that, you know what, I respect each and every one of you guys where you're at. If you're still someone who still eats meat, you know what, I respect you 100%. That's you. You are dealing with your own stuff in your life, and I respect you 100%. That is just, you know what, that's you, and you make the decisions for yourself. Only you can make the decisions for your life. You know, God gave us free will to choose. You know, He gave us free will to choose. Those are your decisions, and I have my decisions, and you know, we all kind of influence each other, to help better each other, or to help better each other and our lives and everything. And especially when it comes to our health, it's wonderful that we all get this desire to want to share it with everybody. And you know what, no one's forcing you to change. No one's making you do anything. It's up to you to change yourself if you want. But I just wanted to congratulate you guys though for making that first step. I mean, even if the step is such a tiny little step, it's better than nothing at all. You know, you took a little baby step. That's better than nothing at all, than no step at all, you know. And just making that conscious decision, or getting that spark and desire to want to change, that's absolutely fabulous progress in my eyes, okay? And so I just wanted to say that, guys. So hopefully this video motivated you or inspired you or gave you some comfort and some hope, I guess, in some way, maybe. I'm just sharing with you guys. It's just every time I make a video, I read a lot of your guys' comments and everything, and I respond back to each and every one of you guys, because I respect and each and every one of you for where you're at in your life and what you deal with. We're all dealing with problems and things in our lives, you know, and so we're all at different stages with our health and our health journey, as you can say, I guess you can put it. But I mean, we all need different ways about going about life, you know, and changing our lives and stuff. So I just wanted to give you guys some encouragement there, that, and also that I enjoy reading how you guys, when you comment to me about where you're at and your decisions and stuff and what you think and everything, and it's just awesome to see everybody's thoughts and opinions and where they're at too. So okay guys, so I'll stop babbling here. I'll let you guys go. Remember to love being raw, you guys. Put a big ol' smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I'll see you guys next video. Okay, bye guys.